Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi. Today I would like to present you this approved used Audi Q2 Sport 30 TFSI with the 6-speed manual transmission. Now this particular example is finished in the black paintwork, which just really give it that unique appearance. As well as this, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now and looking at the key features, this particular example is a sports model and therefore does come with the upgraded sports styling such as the front grille, rear diffuser and side profile. As well as this, you do get the chrome rear diffuser, chrome badging and silver accents around. Moving on now and looking at the front of the vehicle, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 17-inch 5-arm star design wheels, in which you really stand out against that lovely deep black paintwork. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full cloth interior with the two-tone lighter effect in the centre. As well as this, we do get the Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. The aluminium and red accents do continue on into the rear of the cabin, where there's more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed interior with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, aluminium and also the red accents. With this being the sports model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from these sporty seats with the two-tone effect and the lighter grey stripes. Above now we do find the fantastic display in which is featured the 2 analogue dials either side of that central digital speedometer. Now towards the centre of the dashboard we find this impressive MMI display in which is featured the satellite navigation and does allow access to wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we do also find the equally impressive climate control which is very easily. Thank you very much for watching. This vehicle is now available at Stafford Audi and for more information do contact our friendly sales team.